Hi, my name is Jeff. I'm with NanoPower, and that's the voice you hear behind the video feed. These are not meant to be perfect, they're meant to be real. This is a stainless steel refrigerator, and if you go to our site, you'll see how mucky it was before, and now it's sparkling a white clean like stainless should be. We cleaned it, and then we used a nanotechnology product by NanoPower, and that product's called SG2, and it made it self-cleaning for 10 years. So anything that lays on top of this will be easily just wiped off, fingerprints, etc. And you know how difficult these are to work with. Our website is www.nanopowerselfcleaning.com, all one word again. It's www.nanopowerselfcleaning.com. And as you can take a look and see how spotless we have it. Anyhow, this is extremely difficult to do, but we've been in this business about 7 years and have perfected the art. We do automobiles, we do countertops, we do glass, we do solar panels that actually last 20 years. Everything else has a 10-year warranty on it. We do bathrooms, floors, etc. Anything that you'd like to make self-cleaning and easy to work with. Again, we thank you for your time, and look for us in other arenas with automobiles, glass, etc.